How to remove custom emoji on Slack. In this video, I'll show you how to remove custom emoji on Slack. So to get started, go ahead and open Slack. And then once you're on Slack, go ahead and click on the Slack workspace name that you have at the top left corner of your screen. So once you click on it, click on Tools and Settings under it, and then click on this Customize Workspace button, which you'll find under the Tools section. So that will take you into a new tab. So in here, as you can see, you'll be able to customize your workspace emojis. So in this section, you can go ahead and assign the emojis that you want to allow to be added among the emojis for your workspace. So you can remove your custom emoji on Slack by changing it into a new one. So you cannot directly remove it. You can only change emojis that can be used on your workspace. So to change it, you'll need to click on that emoji and then select a new emoji that you want to add for that specific slot. And that is how you can basically remove custom emoji on Slack. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.